Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Dynasty Warriors origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dynasty Warriors origin game on your device and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to change the in-game language, then while you are playing the game, just press the start button to pause. If you are using the joystick, and you may press the escape button on your keyboard. Once you are inside the pause menu, go ahead and navigate to System at the top section. Here you will find various options, including the language settings. Click on Language Settings, and now at the very beginning, you will see the text language. If you try to change this while within the game, it will not work right now. So go ahead and withdraw from your battle if you are already playing. You can then click on Quit Battle to go back into the main menu. Once you choose the Return to Title Screen option, you will now be able to go into Options. And now, within Options, you can change your language setting. Use the first option for the text language, and you may choose from the various different ones that are available. Once you have found your desired language, you can just go back and choose to apply your settings. Once your settings have been saved, the chosen language will now be applied to your game. If you don't understand the language that your game is currently in, then you will need to go into the fourth option counting from the bottom. This is the Options page, and within this page, the very first option is the language setting, and the very first sub-option is the text language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Dynasty Warriors origin game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.